Hey guys, so today I'm going to bring you another luxury scent box unboxing. If you guys missed my first video on what luxury scent box is and how it works, I will link it up here, or you can always search in the little search bar under my page. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I received in this month's luxury scent box, then just keep watching. Okay, so they come in this tiny little box and it says L from LSB in California, luxury scent box. So let's dig right in. First thing that I am seeing in here is the luxury scent box. You can see the logo on it. And this is either a canister to hold the scent or this is the scent. Ooh, this is the quarterly design. Last time I received the luxury scent box, they gave me this beautiful teal holder. This month's box has this beautiful eggplant purple, and let's see what fragrance is inside. So the way the luxury scent box ones work, they basically give you a month's supply of a fragrance to try out, and they come in these handy little canisters. For lack of a better word, you twist it, and inside is your perfume for the month. And this one is Ciao by Vince Camuto. Camuto. Not sure how to say his name, but let's check this one out. That smells nice. It's a little bit more floral than I usually go for. I usually go for like sweet or fruity scents. But this one smells really feminine and it's like a light floral. Definitely something that I could see myself using. I actually tried a sample of this and loved it. So I'm happy to get this in this month's scent box. To put it in, you just push back in and twist it back down and it is closed and ready for travel. The next thing in the box is, let's see. Ooh, we got another one. Let's see. Usually you get two in every box. One is decorative and one is just plain. So here is just the plain holder. Let's see what fragrance is inside this one. This one is Bonjour Señorita by Tous, Tous. The names are printed down here. Let's see what this one is. What do I smell? Grape? I feel like there's a hint of a grape note in this, but not like, what's that brand that always smells like grape? Aussie. Nothing like the Aussie hair products. That's nice. It's like floral with a hint of grape in it. I'll have to look up the notes online, but that's nice too. So 2 for 2, 2 wins in this box. And what I like about this subscription box is it lets you customize what fragrances you'd like to try. So if you sign up for Luxury Scent Box for the next 6 months, you can actually go and take their fragrance quiz on what notes you like, things you prefer, things you don't like, and it'll give you suggestions on what fragrances you would probably enjoy. And you can pick and choose what you want to be in your next month's box, your next 2 months box. You can kind of plan it out. So if you know you're going on vacation and you want something like tropical and fun in the summer, you can plan to get a tropical fun fragrance in the summer. Or if you know you're going to a wedding and you want something like romantic and sexy, you can plan ahead for that. So I like that it lets you plan ahead and pick fragrances that you'd like to try. So it's not just like a completely random sample. You can also do the random sample, but I like that they give you the option to customize so that you're actually getting fragrances that you're interested in trying. And then a bunch of this black paper confetti stuff that my cats love to eat. Don't worry, I don't let them. And then finally, we have the card that says, "Thank you for becoming a member, matching you with the perfect scent, one fragrance at a time." And as always, guys, I have a discount code down below for signing up for Luxury Scent Box. It's a really, really nice subscription. I personally love it. I've been really getting into scents and fragrances a lot lately. I recently published what's on my most used fragrance tray video. If you guys are interested to know what scents I like, then go ahead and check out that video. But that wraps up this month's luxury scent box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, information on this subscription is listed down below along with the discount code. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.